So good morning everybody, you're joining us in the car. It is a really nice sunny day.
The car's already reading 16 degrees.
Yeah, 16 degrees outside.
10:30 in the morning.
I have to apologise for any rapid camera movement as we are trying something a bit different. We're on a manual gimbal, as they would call it, that being just being held. Today we are going to go and explore what it's called?
Croy Shore.
Croy Shore.
Apparently it's really good for sea glass.
Which is a beach not too far away from us. The sat nav is saying it's about half an hour. So we're going to go and see what we can find. It's been like mobilising an army this morning, trying to get everybody into the car and drinks and snacks and stuff. You're looking forward to it, aren't you?
Yeah. It'll be fun. Just to be able to get out in the fresh air and enjoy it. It's just, with lockdown, it's been a while since we've been able to do it. So
yeah, as I say, just getting out and doing something. In the grand scheme of things, it's not anything exciting, but it is because we haven't been able to do it so often.
this camera is shaking about so much. I'm really sorry.
Well, we're here. We saw the beach on the way in, didn't we? But there's not huge amounts of places to park. Ugh. It's a nice day. Hopefully the other people will be here soon. You can hear the sea. And the kids haven't decided to get out of the car yet. What do you reckon of it so far?
Yeah, it looks alright, isn't it?
Yeah. We have to. Yeah, I won't need jumpers today.
I think I'm going to throw mine back in.
Yeah. And we are quite sheltered here, but. So we're going to get the stuff out of the car and go and find a spot on the beach. Going to this bit here. Here. We are here.
That's the seahorse, I know, I saw it. It's very clever, isn't it?
Seahorse where?
It's on a seesaw.
A seesaw?
Seahorse.
Looks alright, doesn't it?
Mama.
Right, you please be careful.
Yeah, I don't know where the seahorse is. Probably the other end of the beach since it was last time.
You wet, you?
Not really.
You liar. Yes, you probably could be wetter.
That game for me. That was great stuff.
Hold your back up.
Excuse me, I'm going to put blankets down. No!
We're burying people already, are we?
Here's more buckets, guys.
I wouldn't kick it because I can get in people's faces.
One spades. Where's the rest?
We need people to sit on them.
Once they're down, they'll be fine.
Sun cream. See, Jen, I should have gotten that now.
Nobody's commented on your footwear yet.
I'm not taking them off because I've got tights on, so I can't, They are funky. At least I won't At least I won't get burnt legs.
Are they comfy? Yeah.
Oh,
Have you got other trousers?
I'm like 3. I know myself, so maybe I can see them.
What are you doing? Why not?
Right, go get it and help me.
At least I'm able. Oh yeah.
Then somebody help me.
With what?
That.
Take your time and get done yourself. Guck, wo dein Fuß am besten steht und dann setz den anderen Fuß danach.
So there.
Use them in cyclists, they're amazing. They're sparkles, really good. Get a bit like. You can go right under, you don't need to leave that bit out.
You alright? You sure?
Riley, what are you doing?
Falling into my chair.
Still itchy? No.
Is that somebody's shoes there?
Where?
Down by the water?
Probably.
Riley, is that your shoes?
I'm just thinking if the water takes them away.
Where are your shoes then?
That's your sliders, just like the sea, but see, it is. Go get them. Go get them, then come and see me. Go get them, please.
Riley's not your child, is he?
Money.
No.
Riley.
I said I thought I'd missed something there.
Mrs. on me.
Well, you don't look very soaked, darling.
Get down. Did you get some suncream on your arms?
Lovely. That
Your legs?
Clap your hands, everybody. Get
Riley.
that sand up.
Come here right now. Don't tell me no. Come here. Riley, I'm honestly phoning Papa now. Honestly, I told her to sleep when you want to tell me to do. Right, that's it, and you don't listen to me. Go get your shoes now.
Does it work? Yeah, speak up, I can't hear you. Can't hear you.
When I come out of the water, there's a bit up here that moves, so I can't breathe.
Oh. It's designed so if you put your head up fully under the water,
I've got tights on anyway, so
the whole thing shuts off so you can't breathe in water.
I have a knife. I even have scissors.
A knife?
No,
Why do you need a knife? Just in case.
tights off. Like I could take them off.
Why do you want to cut them off?
Because that looks warm. I'm okay with knife. So that's the one.
If I get too warm, I'll just take them off. Me see if you try.
And then when we get home, we just strip off anyway. Did I say that out loud?
Wow. This is so nice. Yeah. And whose initiation was that?
Not near us, please. You're meant to have it the other way. You're not meant to put it right on. Here, give me a claw.
Here we go.
Right, give it.
This is where war breaks out.
Mommy, stop. I wouldn't like it.
I've got to get it to the top. Geraldine's got to get it to the bottom.
Sorry?
Hey, I like that. I'm in the water. I can pass the ball.
You can't see a competitive streak there at all, can we? Watch the child. No, I meant the bat and the child. You nearly got hit with a bat. You want some? You have more than one if you want.
This is awful.
Oh, I love Beavis. When is that?
Anytime now.
My hands are all It's our back, Mom.
It's quite nice out here, isn't it?
Why are you so in the
I saw someone in the water, but it's
So we're just going for a wee walk and we're going to watch Geraldine and Ewan go for a swim. Maybe Macy. Oh, even the sand's cold down here.
on your mark. I'm scared to get wet. I'm scared I'm gonna get wet.
Not too far, Harry. Not that way.
I can't go for any farther, just when it's so cold.
Is it a bit cold?
A tiny bit warm. I don't like it.
Oh, that's nice.
Was it cold?
It's so safe, apparently.
Look what happened. It sounds like the old
Boys, can you just come and sit here for me? Riley, that's good.
Did you see he died? See he died? Was it 2 days ago or something? The lead singer of the Bay City Rollers. Was it Les? No, I can't remember what his name was.
My son, let's put it on your face. He's actually
Yes, one.
time it did fall. Yeah. Perfect.
Maybe Photoshop and then it's having like these pictures.
I'm not photoshopping.
Ewan? What over there? That dog's just got it.
I was just filming it.
Let's turn that way. Yeah. That's a good thing about having a little camera. Yeah. You put it back on, please. You put that back on. Because you need to launch that at people. I don't know if that's going to work in this weather. Right, don't play with that because that's dangerous. Stand. Harry, can you bring over here? Can you paint it? Ewan? Can you reattach it? So we've been down to the beach. I think we've all had a good time. We're now back at the house. We've got the barbecue lit up. I suspect the people we're at the beach with are coming back here as well. Hopefully they are, because they've got 2 of our kids with them. The other one's kind of hobbling around the house just now because we kind of somehow got sand where we shouldn't have got sand, but we don't need to go into any more details on that. So yeah, we'll enjoy this barbecue in a nice quiet evening out in the sun. So that was our day at the beach. I think we had a good time.
Yeah.
Everybody was there. It was really nice weather. It was a beach that we'd never been to before.
Yeah.
Even though it was odd because there was not many people actually on the beach,
Millions of cars.
but millions of cars.
Like,
I mean,
every adult that was there brought their own car.
yeah,
So like even like, mums and dads that were there with kids,
took two
both
cars.
took 2 cars. It was it was really weird.
Yeah, there was literally, when we arrived, we were probably in the last 5 spaces in the car park.
Yeah.
But when we left, at 5 o'clock-ish or something, 4:30?
Yeah.
Somewhere between 4 and 5 o'clock. They were parked all the way up like the track, both sides.
No, it must have been 3:30. Because they said they were going to leave it for it, didn't they?
Okay, well, when we left, all the cars were parked up both sides of the single. What do you call
Single
it?
track road.
Single track road. They're parked on like the verges and into even the farmers' fields, all the way up to the main road, weren't they?
Yeah.
And it was just ridiculous. So, I think next time, if we do decide to go, we're going to have to go at a similar sort of time
If not earlier, yeah.
to get a decent parking space.
Although I think it was because obviously lockdown's just been released and whatnot,
Yeah.
so sort of everybody was heading to the beach.
Yeah, everybody's
So-
sort of trying to make the most of the weather as well.
Yeah. But I think it was sort of an exceptional
Yeah.
day, if that makes sense. I know it can get busy, but that was just really mental, with the
Ridiculously
cars.
busy, yeah.
But that said, that obviously wasn't Air Beach, it was Croy.
Yeah, it's Croy Beach. Air Beach must have been
And-
absolutely mad.
Yeah, I've seen pictures of Air Beach from the Sunday.
Yeah, because that was Saturday we went.
Yeah. From the Sunday.
Yeah.
And there is 6 feet apart, but
Yeah.
barely.
As in distance, I mean.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
From family to family, I mean, it's just...
from my point of view, obviously after the beach we came back and you've probably just seen, hopefully, I haven't even looked at it yet, hopefully a time lapse of us having a barbecue with those that came with us to the beach. It was really good to see those people again.
Yeah, it was a lovely, lovely day, wasn't it? It was just perfect.
We hadn't seen those people for
6 months-ish. I don't think it was quite 6 months.
no, it's more than that. It would be probably nearer 7.
Why?
Well, we moved on the 20th. We're
Yeah.
just over 6 months now.
I don't think we are. I think we're 5 months. But
Yeah.
anyway, it's about 6 months.
Yeah, we hadn't seen them. We've spoken to them, but I hadn't seen them. And I think it was good for them as well to get out as well and go and
Yeah,
do
well, it's
something.
good for everybody to get out in the fresh air and stuff, isn't it?
So it was a good day all round.
Yeah.
Nice barbecue to round it off. Without blowing my own trumpet, I think I surprised them as to how much we do on a barbecue when we
Yeah.
do a barbecue. Yeah, it was all really good.
Yeah,
So-
lovely day. Bit sunburnt though.
Yeah,
But some more than others.
yeah. I mean, luckily I only got it on my arm. Really.
Yeah, I only really got it on my foot, but
Yeah,
my
tops
foot
of
still
your foot.
hurts. So every time I put a pair of shoes on, it rubs.
Yeah. So that was our day out at the Croy Beach. Yeah, not much more to say about it.
Great day.
Good day out. If you're heading,
Great company.
yeah, I enjoyed being
That's
there.
what made it.
Yeah, I enjoyed being there with you.
Yes, dear.
If you're heading down that way, when you get down to the car park, there isn't much space, as in like room to manoeuvre. Certainly if it's busy. If you decide to try and get down to the end of the car park, you'll be reversing all the way back out if there's no
Yeah.
space. So yeah, just be ready for that. There were a few day vans there, weren't there? Like day camper vans and whatnot.
Yeah.
So I don't know if it's a place for like camper vans overnighting or
I
whatnot.
don't know. Nice place to do it though, if it is.
Yeah. But yeah, that was our day out at the beach. Not quite sure where and when we're going to be filming next, but hopefully we'll be able to bring that to you soon. So until then, we'll see you later.